The Naro Space Center in Goheung, South Korea, is the nation's gateway to space. Opened in 2009, it is the country's first orbital launch site designed to turn Korea's space ambitions into reality. From Naro, South Korea launched its early Korea space launch vehicles, marking the beginning of its independent space program. In 2013, the center celebrated a historic moment by successfully placing a satellite into orbit, making South Korea the 11th nation in the world to achieve this milestone. Its greatest breakthrough came in 2021 with the launch of KSLV-2, also called Nuri, the first rocket fully developed with Korean technology. This success confirmed South Korea's entry into the ranks of advanced spacefaring nations. Equipped with launch pads, assembly buildings, tracking stations, and control centers, Naro is more than a spaceport. It is the hub of South Korea's future in space exploration, satellite development, and scientific research. From humble beginnings to major achievement, the Naro Space Center stands as a symbol of South Korea's determination to reach beyond Earth and claim its place in the new space age. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more space videos.